Everyone, when we arrive, I'd like to... Henry, where have you been?
Oh, you want to know? He was locked up at the wall with me.
Who are you? How did you get here?
Oh, I'm Ellie. I heard the guy I helped escape was the leader of the Top Hat clan, so I busted myself out and followed him. I helped you escape, and you just left me.
What? Have you no honor? No dignity? Actions like this tarnish the Top Hat name. Men, is this really what we want out of a leader? He barged in here and took control of the Top Hat clan for himself. He's not worthy of being our leader. I say we throw him overboard. Who's with me? Why are we doing this? I thought Henry was a pretty good leader.
Yeah, this doesn't really take any loyalists to the brig.
Henry, you are hereby dethroned from your position as leader of the Top Hat clan. I'm going to want that hat back.
Jump, or I'll make you jump.
No. No, please.
I don't want to hear it.
Henry? We're with you, Henry. Get us out of here.
Yeah.
What'd you do with Henry?
Shaloob! Me? Come on, Dave, you got this. Ha! Good teamwork.
Thanks, Henry. It's not right what they did to you.
The denouncement ceremony has been completed. Henry is no longer the leader of the Top Hat clan.
How do you want to proceed, boss? I got a few ideas.
Thank you again for rescuing me from...
Now!
That was a close call.
Henry's still the leader!
I've had enough of this!
Quick, everyone, get into this escape pod.
It's kinda tight in here. What was that?
What now, boss? Looks like we're on our own.
Message to all recent players. I'm hosting a test for...
Most recent message.
This is a Code 12 broadcast. The remnants of the Top Hat clan have been seen mobilizing near the Dogo Bogo jungle. Rumors are they are attempting to launch an orbital satellite of some kind. Unconfirmed reports are telling us they are shipping their assets by train to this base in the jungle. These assets include all treasures and artifacts they have stolen throughout the years. Now, these treasures are worth quite a lot of money, so we gotta make sure.
No stowaways here.
This is Checkpoint Inspection Team 5. We are all clear.
Roger that. We'll be heading out here in just a hot second.
Well, I suppose we should hop in, huh? How did we lose one? I think we should throw it in the cart, just to be safe. Ah. Well, I suppose we should hop in. Yeah, it's about time. Hey, was that bush always there? I'm not sure. I'll give it the test. Oh, it was a fake. Well, I suppose we should hop in. Yeah, it's about time.
Alright, I'll get the door.
Jeez, you could have at least offered. You were standing right
Someone
next to me. Hey, you there!
Whoa, check out this crazy coat rack. Oh, look at me, I'm a little hat holder person. Ooh, can I take your hat? Ooh, I wonder what's out the window. Oh, it broke. Excuse me. I was saving that seat for my friend. Hello? Hello? Oh, hey, there you are. Yeah, no, this guy just took a seat. I don't know. Alright, lads, train's here. Let's get everything packed up before it gets too late. Oops. Uh-oh. Okay, everyone, today's the day. Why is it empty in here?